Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. We have a special preview for you today. This is releasing April the 5th, and we're just going to show you what they look like. And you can go to our website and order them, pre-order, so you'll get them on release date. It's the Stadium Club Baseball 2022. Stadium Club Chrome is back. You're going to get one on-card autograph in every box. This is a 2022 product, even though the 2023 Topps is out. We got to get some more Julio Rodriguez rookies. A great class, great player. His cards are worth a lot of money. So let's get some more. This, you're going to receive one insert or parallel per pack. And then this is going to feature 100 new base cards. So there are, forgot to tell you, 14 packs per box and 6 cards per pack. We got Shohei Ohtani on the cover. His debut this year through a great game, but did not get the win. Can't get any run support. Andre Jackson, rookie. Lance Lynn. Pedro Martinez. Now that looks like that's a refractor. Yep, and they do mark it, which I love that they actually say refractor. That's cool. Otto Lopez. Yasmani Grandal. Craig Biggio. Love to get the Julio refractor here. We've got some good Julios if you've been watching the channel. Like some major Julio hits. 101 autos and some cool stuff. This is a Beam Team. Nolan Arenado. Lucas Giolito. Giancarlo Stanton. And Akil Batto. Mark McGwire. So they have a lot of throwback cards in these. Bobby Dahlbach. There's Rowdy's refractor. Oh, that's numbered. Numbered to 199. Very nice. Ooh, our autograph. MJ Mills. Non-numbered. Rookie. And a Kirby Puckett. It didn't take long to get that. Please continue to watch this break. You can find these if you'd like to get your own box pre-ordered for release day of April 5th. We'll make sure you have it on release day. Buy it on SportsZoneToysComics.com. We'll have the low price. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. That is one worthy there. We'll send that to PSA. Card number 2 in the set. That's a nice card. If you'd like to send your cards in too, stop by. We can fill them out, paperwork, and get them in. Bobby Witt, Team of the Future. Very nice. Luke Voigt. Josiah Gray. You can also send them the CSG at $15 a card if you prefer. Very quick turnaround times. We're getting 2 weeks from them and about a month from PSA. There's a Bryson Stott. Card number 71. And we do have a local collector that's going to want that. So if you're watching, Aaron, just hit us a reply. We'll save a Bryson Stott for you. Walker Buehler. Got somebody that likes him too. Mookie Betts. This is a Trophy Hunter. That's a neat card. Miles Straw. Tyler Glasnow. Logan Gilbert. Nice cards. Really enjoying these. Kyle Raleigh rookie. We got another rookie there of Andre. Derek Jeter. Greg Maddux. Trophy Hunter. Lewis Robert. And a Royce Lewis rookie. Nice cards. They're looking like they're coming out really good out of the packs too. Right. Corners look good and no scratches. Nice. Kyle Lewis. There's Ryan. Jeff Bagwell. That, ooh, numbered to 50. 36 of 50. You really got to pay attention because the refractors all look the same, but yet they're different numbered, so that's cool to 50. Eloy Jimenez, Michael Kopech, Tim Anderson. Oops. Grab 2. Thank you very much for watching the channel. Please remember to hit the like button on the video, subscribe. Austin Hayes. There's Vital rookie. Dylan Bundy. Mike Mussina. Ooh, what is this? A 1 of 1. 1 of 1 local hero. Montoursville. Mike Mussina. That's a super refractor, right? Wow. That's awesome. Wow, these Stadium Club are on fire. Hunter Renfroe. All the number, I love all the numbered cards. Those are always good to send a PSA too. Get that right in. Freddie Freeman. Luis Guerrero Jr. Jose Miranda's rookie. We got a Pete Alonso Beam team. I think we had another Beam team. There we go. Don Mattingly. Kyle Schwarber. More Phillies for you, Aaron. Oh, we got some Oriole rookie. We got a local collector for that. Ryan Bannon, Randy Johnson, CJ Crone. Oh, and O'Neal Cruz, Beam Team rookie, and that's a refract. Or I guess they're all like that. But that's a really good one, O'Neal Cruz. Jackie Robinson, Jake Berg, rookie. 4 more packs to go. I'm loving Stadium Club Chrome. Get on there and get your box. Brooks Robinson, Max Fried, Team of the Future, Austin Riley. So we had that in the Bobby Witt. Jacob deGrom. There's a Babe Ruth playing the saxophone. That's a funny card. 3 to go. I hope you're enjoying the preview. Thank you very much to Topps. TJ Friel rookie. A Wander Franco Chrome Destiny rookie. Cool. Team of the Future. Well, that's a Torkelson rookie. It's definitely a refractor because it's different than our other Team of the Future. Check those out. That one's got a different Mitch Hanger, Aaron Ashby. These are loaded with stuff. For an inexpensive product, this is good stuff. Ahmed Rosario, Ravis rookie, Freddie Freeman, that's a refractor. Go with the Pedro. Robin Yount, Josh Lowe, Mike Piazza, and our last pack. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Here we go. Ryan Mountcastle, Wilson Contreras, a George Springer Trophy Hunter, Andre Dawson, Ivan Rodriguez, Barry Larkin. So this was Topps Stadium Club Chrome. This is just a special preview. Nothing is for sale yet. You can pre-order it on the website, and it'll be available April the 5th is release day. SportsZoneToysComics.com. Thank you very much for watching.